Welcome to Vastu Soft Mobile Application Demo Video. Vastu Soft Mobile Application is a combination of traditional Vastu, civil and electrical engineering, geopathology, Ayurveda and psychology. This application is mainly available in English, Hindi and Malayalam. However, the Ayadi calculation is available in 6 languages. To see the full details and download the application, you may please visit our website www.vastusoft.com. Press Initialize and Login button to view the main menu. 32 main modules are available in Vastu Soft mobile application. We can see all 32 modules while scroll down the main menu. Since the application is so large, we are going to discuss only about the major modules in this demo video. Module 1. First upon, we want to see whether our sleeping direction or sitting direction is correct. Select Plot Direction Finder module for this purpose. Select Plot Direction Description module to know the scientific details. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Select Plot Direction Finder module to know the sleeping direction or sitting direction is correct. While moving the mobile phone, you can see the color is changing on the phone. Green color indicates is good, yellow color is average, and red color is bad. Our sleeping direction to be adjusted based on the color indicated on the mobile phone. Sleeping with your head to the north can cause brain damage, so please avoid this direction for sleeping or sitting long time. This module is very important while you are constructing a new house. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Press back button to go back to main menu. Module 2. We usually don't know whether our sleeping or sitting location is good or bad. Select Curry or Cancer Line Finder module for this purpose. From this menu, select Earth Radiation module to know the scientific details behind this Curry line. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Select Curry line and magnetic field strength module to know how the mobile detects the presence of Curry line in a particular location. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Select Curry Line Finder module to know whether the current location is good for sleeping or sitting long time. We can see the magnetic field strength in micro Tesla, and the color is changing based on the reading. Currently I'm sitting in the room, so I am going outside to show you the changes as live. See, the color has got changed from green to yellow. Green color indicates as good. Green color indicates as good, yellow color is average, and red color is bad. However, try to avoid the location for sleeping if the magnetic field strength is greater than 75 microtesla. Use your copper wires or small copper rods around the magnetic field affected area to reduce its strength. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Press back button to go back to main menu. Module 3. Light has an important role in Vastu, whether it is sun, light or light arrangement. According to electrical engineering, each room should have a particular light illumination strength lux to avoid health problems. For example, minimum 250 lux required for a study room. If the required lux is not available in study room, the eyes will get tired, thus it will affect the memory of the person. So it is important to have minimum 250 lux in a study room. Select any module in order to know whether that location, room has proper lighting or not. For example, select Dining Room module to check whether the lighting of dining room is good or bad. We can see the reading is changing. If the reading is less than the minimum recommended lux, then the color will show as red, which means the lighting is not good for that room. Press back button to go back to previous menu. However, we will not sure that how much lighting arrangement or watt required while constructing a room. Select lumens or watt calculation module for this purpose. Select room type and enter required fields to know how much watt required are lighting arrangements to be made for that particular room. For example, room type equal to study room. Room length equal to 4 meter. Room breadth equal to 3 meter. Then press calculate button to see the result. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Press back button to go back to main menu. Module 4. Same like light, sound has an important role in Vastu. The recommended sound level is below 85 decibel for a particular room. If more than 85 decibel, it can affect the heart beating and thus increasing heart attack, which causes to immediate death. Select sound effects on Vastu module to know the scientific reasons behind this sound effects. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Select noise detector module to know sound strength to do the correction if required. We can see the sound level reading is changing. Green color indicates is good. Yellow color is average and red color is bad. Select noise remedies module to reduce the sound as required. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Press back button to go back to main menu. Module 5. Ayadi calculation has a major role in traditional Vastu. It is being used internationally for constructing a new house or correcting the Vastu problems of an existing house. Like human beings, Vastu also has a horoscope. The Ayadi Shadvargas denote the horoscope of a Vasta. It is the guiding formula for the prosperity and well-being of the inhabitants of the house. The building is considered to be a living being and also has a birth star. Ayadi calculations attempt to harmonize the energies created by the influence of the birth star of the person and that of the building. Ayadi calculation is being kept a secret because of its importance and complexity. 3 types of Ayadi calculations are available in Vastu Soft mobile application. Ayadi calculation 1. This calculation is being used in South India based on a Sanskrit book called Manushalaya Chandrika. This book was written by Sri Neelakandan Musat in AD 16th century. Select Ayadi calculation, Manushalaya Chandrika module to view its features. Though we have many sub-modules for this module here, we are going to check only one module for demo purpose. Select English module to see the calculation in English. We need to check the Ayadi compatibility of the house by inputting its length and breadth even though it is for new construction or existing house. Select length breadth module for this purpose. Enter length and breadth in meter and press find button to get the answer. For example, length is equal to 10 meter and breadth is equal to 8 meter. Press find button to get the answer. Now we can see the Ayadi result where Veda is greater than Aya. That means the expense of house will be greater than income. Also check other factors. We can see the overall result is showing as bad. So this dimension is not good for the selected house. Same way we can see the changes while changing the parameters. If the available result is not good for house, then we need to correct the length and breadth to change the horoscope of the house. Press back button to go back to previous menu. Select find length and breadth module for Vastu correction. Enter length of the house to get the answer. For example, enter length as 10 meter and press find button. Here we can scroll down and see the matching result for the length. Based on our requirement, we can select a best Ayadi calculation from the list to build our house. Press back button to go back to main menu. Ayadi calculation 2. This Ayadi calculation is called Ayadi. This Ayadi calculation is being used internationally including USA, Canada, and Germany. This calculation is directly taken from Veda. This is mainly propagated by Dr. V. Sthapathya from Thanjavur, a Padma Bhushan winner. Select Ayadi Calculations Veda module to view its features. Select Ayadi Calculation module to check the calculation. Select and input the required details to get the result. For example, basis Asta. Select occupant as wife. Select nakshatra as Marigashira. Select land direction as east. Enter length 50 and 10 in feet and inch. Enter breadth 30 and 10 in feet and inch. Press calculate button to see the result. Simply scroll down. We can see the result in green color. That means the given details are best for building a new house or existing house. However, we can change the parameters and view the result again. For demo purpose, we are only changing the length in feet as 40. Now see the result again. Except one parameter, everything got changed. Press back button to go back to previous menu. The golden ratio is a mathematical ratio that's commonly found in nature. It can be used to create visually pleasing, organic-looking compositions in our design projects or architectural design. Select Ayadi Calculation Golden Ratio module to know its calculation features. Except square feet and length breadth ratio of a building, the other inputs are same as previous Ayadi module. Select Golden Ratio as length breadth ratio. Enter value 2000 as square feet. Press calculate button to see the result. Simply scroll down. We can see some parameter results are in green color and some are in red color. So it means that the overall result is not good for building a new house or existing house. However, we can change the parameters and view the result again. Press back button to go back to main menu. Ayadi Calculation 3 Andhra Vastu. It is purely made in Telugu language, so we are going to skip this module in this demo video. Module 6. 16 Energy Zones concept is being used in Vastu for building a new house. Select Main Energy Zones module. Press 2 times to view its features. While moving the mobile phone, we can see the zone effects, which will decide whether the selected direction is good or bad. Thanks for watching the demo video. We'll see you in next video. Once again, thank you.